Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri and I'm back with yet another video where I'll show you how you can make money online. So this website is called Enroll app. It is kind of freelancing website, but it is a bit different from other freelancing website that I have talked about. So on this website, all you have to do is give you a review or opinion about the brand logo, apps, or different website. So the best part about this website is you can even use your mobile phone, tablet, or your PC to submit your opinion and review different websites that you'll be assigned test on this platform called Enroll app. So it's pretty easy to get started out here, and in the coming part of the video I'll show you how you can make your own profile out here and start earning by simply reviewing different apps and websites. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open up your browser and type enrollapp.com, and I'll give you the link to this website in the description below, so you don't need to worry about it. You can just click on that and reach out here. So once you're here, provide your email address, check these two boxes, click on enroll now, and once you have done that, you'll receive a confirmation email on the account that you have used out here. So simply log into your Gmail account. So here's the link from Enroll. Simply click on confirm my account and close the other tabs, and once you're here, simply click on sign in, and you'll have to walk through a series of questions out here. Simply have patience and fill out all the details that they are asking for. So it also depends on your area where you're located, the amount of work that you'll get, but it's definitely global, and wherever you are located, you'll always receive tests in a while, so you don't need to worry about it. Initially you won't get many tests, but you have to hang in there because eventually you'll get different tests, different websites or apps to review. So you have to have patience out here in order to get started and earn money from Enroll. So now we have to enter our PayPal email address. So once you have given your PayPal account, simply click on continue. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's really easy to make a PayPal account. All you have to do is provide your basic details and you can get started on PayPal as well. And let me know if you face any difficulty on PayPal in the comment section below. I'll surely come up with a demo on how you can have your own PayPal account. And it's really easy, guys, to have a PayPal account. Your phone number, click on continue. These are some basic details that they require from you. Your state, click on continue. Click on yes. Go ahead and give your job. I'm giving mine randomly. Go ahead and give your desired salary if you have any. Click on continue. Your hobby. Make sure when you fill these, you give it genuinely and not just any random text like I'm doing out here. Your proficiency, your availability, and select the devices that you are willing to take tests on and review different apps and websites. If you have all the three devices, simply check out all the three devices. In my case, I'll just click on mobile and desktop, click on finish registration, and this is it. You are approved to take up tests and review different websites out here. So initially, as I told you, you won't be getting many tests, but once you have spent much time out here and you have earned different badges out here, you'll definitely get different tests, and you don't need to worry about it. You'll be notified through your email account that test is available for you. All you have to do is click on that test and review some apps or websites. So some basic polls that you can take up, and this will give you extra points and also help you earn more badges out here, and these badges will definitely help you to grab on more tests. So in your free time, go ahead and check out these polls. And this is your achievements. Here you'll see different badges. Right now we don't have any, so these badges will come to you once you successfully review websites, apps, or information about brand's logo, and also by taking different surveys like opinion out there. So here right now we have 1 point. This will increase eventually by taking up more tests once they are available for you, and in the meantime you can take this simple survey, and this is how it works. And here you'll see financials, your withdrawal, your balance. If you have any successful tests done, you'll get paid out here, and from here you can directly withdraw the amount to your PayPal account. So it's really easy to get started out here and make money on Enroll app. So make good use of the platform, and hope you'll definitely find a good income from this website. If you have any difficulties setting up any of the account, just let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Bunch, because I'll be coming with more videos like this one on how you can make a digital presence for yourself. So thanks for watching, guys.